everyone, and welcome back to day four of my Slimming World food diary thing for the week. So this is day 4, and yeah, if you want to see what I've eaten today, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button somewhere. I think it's down here somewhere. There you go. Click, click, click. And yeah, stay tuned. You can see what I had for breakfast, lunch and dinner today. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Good morning. It's about 9:15 and I'm having just some hot fruit salad. Oh my god, I made so much of it. But it's quite good because, like, you know, you're getting all your, vitamins and things from fruit. It's meant to be really good for your skin and, yeah, speedy food and all that. I've got quite a busy day today. I'm at home, but I've got lots of stuff to do. So, I'm planning on having my fruit salad and my coffee now. Oh yeah, I have a coffee with, oh god, is it a 1/6 of my healthy extra egg? And then what am I doing? Oh yeah, I've got like some nice chickeny salad things for lunch. So we'll see what time I have that. It'll probably be quite late, probably like 1:30, 2. But I'm sure my fruit will keep me going. Okay, hey, it's 2 o'clock and we're having some lunch. I've got a very nice looking salad. I've got some chicken breast with barbecue, like, seasoning on it from Asda, which is totally free. 1.5 eggs with a little squirt of salad cream across the top, which is 1 sin. I've got that Baxter slaw, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. Some beetroot and some salad leaves, and then for afterwards I have the very last leftover bits of that fruit salad, that huge fruit salad with a raspberry Muller Light on it. So 1 sin lunch, not bad. It's getting tea ready, so I thought I'd show you how I make coleslaw. So I buy a bag of the coleslaw salad mix from Asda, throw away the mayonnaise, and here I have a tablespoon of mustard, which is 1.5 sins. It's really, really good. It's our favouriteest mustard ever. It's so delicious. So I put a tablespoon of that in, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise light, a little crunch of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And then you mix it all through. Oh, I picked the onions out, by the way, that's what that's about. And just because I'm obsessed with this red slaw, this is now my 2nd jar this week. And I like my dinner, like, well, not my dinner, but like dressing stuff, very vinegary. I'm just going to put a couple of blobs of that in, just to make it a little bit more vinegary. I forgot to say what we're having burgers. We're having these 4 Aberdeen Angus quarter-pounders, which I've checked. 1 burger is 7 sins each, so I'm having 1, Dan's having 3. Let's see how the chips are doing. Looking good. And the burgers, I've just split them. Looking nice. Would you look at those chips? They look amazing. So on my burger, I've just got a little 1/2 teaspoon of mayonnaise spread very thinly on the bottom. And then I've got a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard and ketchup on the top, like a teaspoon of each. So I'm going to say that's like 2 sins for both of them. I've got my wholemeal bread bun as my healthy extra B. I've had half my healthy extra A on my milk, so I can have 25 grams of mozzarella on my burger, which is quite a bit actually. Look at all that cheese for 25 grams. Dan, are you putting your cheese on? That's loads, and which is also because I love cheese. Dan! Something that I do with my Slimming World chips so that I avoid having like ketchup and mayonnaise and stuff on them is, like, I try and flavour them as much as possible. So these ones today, I got a little pot and I mixed up a crushed chicken oxo cube, some thyme and some rosemary, a little bit of garlic granule sprinkly things, and some salt and pepper. And then when I put my potatoes on the tray, sprayed them with Frylight, I just dust that over the top, and they taste banging. So just saves you naughty sins from ketchup and stuff, which I love ketchup more than anything. Not as much as cheese though. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Yes. Yummy. He's snooping in the background. Right, we're just having our little pudding for the evening. 10:10. We're having, show them. Jelly and ice cream. Thank you.
Have a spoon.
I gave you one. Oh, sorry.
Bloody hell, it's even jelly with no spoon.
So I've got this Oppo healthy ice cream. It's 37 calories in a scoop, which is 50ml, which means it's 1.5 sins. Well, nearly 2 sins, but 1.5 sins for 50ml, 50 grams, whatever. So I've just weighed that out. There we go. See? Oh, well, 50. And ice cream and jelly. Hurrah! Yum yum. So I'm saying that's all my sins for today. All 15. Boom. Right. I think I better end the video here, hadn't I? Because I'm gonna get snuggled down in front of the fire and watch 24 Hours in Police Custody. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in for tomorrow. Day 5. Quite impressed I'm doing this every day. Just putting my jelly away. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.